Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now this is taluka level, district level, state level, regional level, national level, and then goes to it was supposed to be held in this year 2021 at China. But because of the present pandemic situation, it has gone to 2022. So hope that will happen soon. So now we are at the stage of state level. So this will go. Now only we have received, we were supposed to finish it by 15th August, but now today we can finish it up to 30th August. So next stage will be regional. So all this region wise it will happen. The state in that particular region will compete with our competitors, and then it will go to the national level. So national level it will be decided who will go to the last at the international level, that is in the China.
Students came here basically to compete in food production, patisserie, bakery, F&B service and front office. And we thank the state government for choosing our institute and thank the Department of Skills Development, and it is an initiative of central government in collaboration with the state government. It is a great opportunity for youth to develop their skills and to do well in their careers.